This girl became a millionaire using a receipt.
She didn't get this golden chance by shopping or eating.
And all she did was, wait, ba't ako nagsasabi sa inyo? Meet Ginaline.
Hi, I'm Jenaline Dingli from LU, Philippines.
Ginaline has been living in Dubai for 2 years.
2 taon na ako dito sa Dubai. Nagtrabaho ko as a cleaners po.
She works to send money to her family back home.
Sa Pilipinas, so mahirap po talaga po yung buhay namin doon. Parang yung pinagkakasya namin yung kinikita ng papa ko.
Little did she know, this simple act would change her life. Because the receipt she got from sending money turned her into a millionaire.
I-invest ko po, tsaka po konting tulong sa mga family ko po at sa mga kapatid ko. At saka meron po kasi akong pinapaaral po, kaya po doon ko po ilalaan lahat.
This small victory should remind us that in the UAE, golden tickets can be found no matter who you are.